If you're not using landing pages in your business right now, or worse, you're sending all of your traffic directly to your homepage, your business is not growing as fast as it should. So let's fix that now. Timestamps below, along with some other helpful links and resources, including a link to our landing page, playbook, and template bundle, so you can copy our proven conversion frameworks for the design of these pages, as well as the actual copy for the page, so you know what the heck to write. Now, we'll kick things off with what we're all familiar with, our website. People find you through social, content, or search engines, and then they go to your homepage to see what you and your company are all about. Now, when someone hits your homepage, you don't actually really know what they're looking for. So we have a bunch of navigation links at the top. We probably have some sort of hero section, call to action, that lets people know what we can do for them. And then as they scroll down this page, there's even more links and more content and resources, because we simply do not know what they're actually looking for. And so a good way to think of your homepage is a giant filter, because we don't know what people are looking for or what they want. However, when it comes to a landing page, that's exactly what we don't want to do. Now, landing pages are super simple pages designed to do one thing: collect email addresses, and that's it. Now, of course, I get a lot of questions when people look at simple pages like these that I say, hey, this is all you need for a landing page. And it normally goes something like this. Yeah, but that design's pretty ugly, and my page builder has all these really nice looking designs, so why don't I just use one of those? And apart from the obvious critique of my lack of design skills, the answer is, well, how much would you pay if a page builder said, we'll just help you build these pages, right? So there is a certain aspect of giving you stuff you don't need, because after all, who's going to pay $50 a month for a software that just builds a simple page like this? So it is deceptively simple, and really, this is all you need for a successful landing page. In fact, this simple page converts at 45% on cold Facebook traffic. Design is not a huge key here. But what is a key is something called a lead magnet, or this is your free offer. After all, if we just made a page and said, hey, give me your email address so I can send you some emails and sell you some stuff, probably not going to get too many signups. So this is where your lead magnet comes in. Now, a lead magnet is simply a valuable free offer you make in exchange for that email address. This can be a template, an audit, a report. This could even be a special training. You've probably seen YouTube ads for webinars. Those are technically lead magnets as well. And this is something that you create that is genuinely valuable, not just type it into ChatGPT and then send it off like everyone's about to do in your niche. We want to create something that's based upon your own personal experience. And this is how you're going to start to build a relationship with people who've never heard of you before. Because, spoiler alert, the best way to get customers is to demonstrate that you're actually worth listening to by actually genuinely helping them. So I'll leave a link in the cards in the description to a full-blown guide that goes through all these different ideas, as well as how to create these for free using Google Slides, Google Docs, and of course, Canva. Now, hopefully you have a much clearer picture of the differences between your website and your landing page, and maybe most importantly, the engine that actually makes your landing page work in the first place, which is a lead magnet. Because after all, when you start sending targeted traffic to these different lead magnet offers, your list growth is absolutely going to explode, as opposed to just offering something generic on your homepage. So make sure you check out the link in the cards and the description to a super deep dive guide on how to actually create your landing page and do all the copywriting for it, as well as a link to our landing page playbook and template bundle, where you can literally just copy our frameworks and designs straight into whatever system you like to use, or you can use the free software that we recommend. So hit that like button, subscribe for more marketing guides just like this one, and until the next, keep building the business you love.